Everybody, how we doing today? This is Ryan, another one of my videos. Today I want to do, I guess, a second video on something I had done about 2 years ago. And that was kind of a review on the new Finish, NU Finish Scratch Doctor. It's a clear coat scratch remover. It protects and all that other fun stuff. But we're going to go over it and see how it works. I used it on my Mazda CX-9 before. Did okay, but if it's a deep enough cut past that clear coat and it's under the paint, I mean, there's nothing really you can do. Then take it to a professional, and of course you guys can leave comments. I know a few people, but let's get to it. So here we go. This is, by the way, my 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI. It's another one of my cars. I've been fortunate enough to get my hands on this thing, and I've done tons of videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So I put the bottle there, of course, and behind it, there's the scratch. So it's kind of on the under part here of the plastic bumper. In some ways, I guess it's good, because if I was dealing with a scratch on the sides of the car or the hood, I mean, that's metal, whereas we're kind of dealing with plastic. If you look at the actual container, it removes surface scratches, swirl marks, and haze. You know, it's not a miracle cleaner. So new Finish safely removes scratches and swirl marks, blah, blah, blah. Scratch Doctor also removes haze, dramatically improves the color of your car parts. So, of course, you got to wash the area. It's got to be clean, let it dry, and then you're going to use a soft cloth. So here we go. We have a soft cloth. I accidentally put some on there. This stuff comes out like, my goodness, it comes out like a hot sunscreen. It's a very hot day here today, so that's more than enough. I put way too much on there, so let's just try a little area here, and we're just gonna buff it on. So we kind of apply it and go in a motion here, but look at the before and after, and this is what's cool about this stuff. Look at that, it's already made such an impact. Is that incredible? Once you've kind of started working on the scratch like that, you really want to buff the rest of this away, but you can really, I mean, look at the difference. You know, this is quite impressive for people who want to see a review on this stuff. Look at that. So I'm just going to buff the rest out. Let's do the other side. So again, this side's got some pretty harsh damage. You can see the actual plastic is just ripped. But we're just going to apply a little bit here. And you kind of, again, buff it in. This is not going to make the scratches go away in the sense that, you know, I've obviously done physical damage here, but it should help and improve that look. So this side is far gone. I mean, that's going to need to be sanded and painted and everything, but it looks a little better. But let's go back to that initial side that we were working on and look at the before and after. I mean, it's incredible. Obviously, the scratch is still there, okay? But and sorry about the camera work. It's hard to do this on such a sunny day, but you can really see that New Finish has done quite a good job, okay? That's just a little splatter there. But that's it, guys. That's kind of my thoughts. A little quick review and all that on the New Finish on my 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport. Don't forget to subscribe. We're always doing new videos. And if you have any thoughts or comments, leave them below. If they're really rude, I'll just get rid of them. Ciao.